What's up, everybody? This is Chris German, aka the Real Binary Master. Today's video, I want to keep it short and sweet, and I'm just going to get right to it. So, guys, you're here because you're interested in NFX, or interested in trading, interested in binary. You're here because you're trading already. You're here because you're interested in possibly trading. So, when it comes to trading and looking at potential trade setups, what I found out is the more confluences, the more positives you have for a specific entry or a specific trade, the better chances or the higher probability of that trade being a winning trade. So for an example, if I'm out here and I'm marking up my analysis and I'm looking at Euro USD and I'm looking like, oh man, the Euro is possibly getting ready for a buy. I come over here and I look at Euro and I see that it's pretty weak, right? But then I look at USD, and USD is just as weak. So in this instance, for this example, we would just go with market structure. Because currency is neutral, you can be looking for potential buys and sells. But now, guys, if you were looking at GBP USD, and then for this example, you can see the guys, GBP, the pound, has 6 bars. It's strong. So the dollar having 1 bar, if we were looking at GBP USD and we were looking at a potential sell, we're probably going to want to get a few more confluences to agree with the sell or maybe avoid that setup. Because we both can see that the momentum in GBP is there. It's strong. It's 6 bars compared to 1. So we would want to be looking for buys on GBP USD. Not potential sells. However, in a buying market, we all know markets go up and down, and then they consolidate. So during a buying market, yes, there are selling opportunities, but I would not sell against the trend, guys. I would just look for that buying opportunity. And remember, the trend is your friend up until the bend in the end. So now that we have this, you have a little understanding of what currency, livecharts.co.uk, the currency strength meter is, and how you can use it as a confluence while you're taking trades. So just one more real quick. So if we were looking at NZD USD, we'd want to be looking towards the buy side, because we see that the New Zealand dollar is very, very strong. Now if we were looking at USD CAD, USD being the first pair, the first pair of the currency pair, and CAD being the second, well, CAD's stronger, so we would want to be looking for potential sells if we had multiple confluences, and that way, we would want to look and take that sell. Now, the next thing that I pay attention to is going to be called forexfactory.com, and guys, both these links will be in the description below. Feel free to go ahead. Sorry about that. Feel free to go ahead and use them as a tool. So real quick, today's Friday. I have this up on Thursday because I wanted to show you guys. So at 3 a.m. Thursday, they had orange folder. Now an orange folder. Well, let's go down from what folders. This yellow manila folder means little to no impact at all. The orange folder means medium to higher impact. The red, oh boy, that means caution. It's a high impact news. And guys, if you are not aware or not advanced in trading a red folder high impact news, my suggestion would be to strongly stay out of the markets until the timing is gone and it looks like price action is fluent and not spiking or going really high in one direction and coming right back in the other direction. Because when high impact news comes out, you can see crazy price action, and if you're on the wrong side of that trade, you could potentially get wrecked. So, the white to silver is a bank holiday, and that goes for all of them. That'll be a bank holiday. If it's silver, just know that particular country has a bank holiday. And then, if you see this all in red, that means all currency pairs are in a red folder. Non-farm payroll, NFP. For us binary NFX traders, we say NFP means no effing problem. right? Because it doesn't really matter based off our analysis and market structure, because we're only coming in and out of the market in minutes. But guys, it does matter. It could have an effect on your total overall trading. So just make sure when you're trading in the markets to use proper risk and understand that trading does contain that risk aspect. So don't trade with money you can't afford to lose, and definitely don't trade with your rent money or money that you need. Um, Trading should be fun, and trading should be, in my opinion, a secondary income until you're in a position where you're making enough profits where trading's your primary income, and bow, now it's your primary income, and that's how it goes. So guys, with that being said, this is the real binary master. I hope you guys got a little value. I'm gonna drop the description, both the forexfactory.com and currency strength meter in the description below. And guys, feel free to reach out to me at my email or hit me up on social media. Let's connect, and I can help you get any questions you may have regarding currency strength or forexfactory.com, the news. And I can also assist you on where you would want to be trading in the markets and what it is that I'm doing. So let's connect. I appreciate you guys. See you guys on the next video.